What if I told you, you could build a reliable, growing stream of income, without picking individual stocks, without constantly watching the market, and without guessing what comes next? Today, we're breaking down two of the most powerful dividend ETFs available right now, SCHD, the income powerhouse DGRO, the dividend growth machine. But here's the real question. Which one actually helps you build a sustainable dividend income stream? Not just today, but for the next 10, 20, even 30 years. And more importantly, should you choose one, or combine both? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ETF fits your income strategy, the key differences most investors miss, and how to build a long-term dividend machine that works in any market. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's dive in. Understanding the goal. Before we even compare SCHD and DGRO, we need to define something critical. What is a sustainable dividend income stream? It's not just high-yield big payouts or chasing the highest dividends. A sustainable income stream means consistent payouts, growing dividends over time, protection against inflation, financial stability through market cycles. Because here's the truth. A 6% yield that gets cut is worse than a 3% yield that grows every year. That's why this comparison matters so much. What is SCHD? SCHD stands for Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. What makes SCHD unique? SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies, strong fundamentals, reliable income. Key characteristics: high dividend yield, typically around 3 to 4%, focus on cash flow strength, screens for return on equity, debt levels, dividend sustainability, top holdings style. Think companies like blue-chip industrials, financial giants, consumer staples. These are businesses that generate consistent profits, pay strong dividends, have proven track records. What SCHD does best: immediate income. If your goal is living off dividends, supplementing income, retiring soon, SCHD is designed for you. What is DGRO? DGRO stands for iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, but here's the twist. DGRO is not focused on high yield. Instead, it prioritizes dividend growth over time. Key characteristics: lower yield, around 2 to 2.5%, strong emphasis on companies that increase dividends consistently, broad diversification. Holdings style: DGRO includes tech companies, healthcare leaders, growth-oriented firms. These are companies that reinvest profits, grow earnings, increase dividends steadily. What DGRO does best: long-term compounding. If your goal is wealth building, inflation protection, growing income over decades, DGRO shines here. SCHD versus DGRO, head-to-head. Let's break this down clearly. 1. Dividend yield: SCHD, higher yield DGRO, lower yield winner, SCHD. 2. Dividend growth: SCHD, strong growth DGRO, faster growth over time winner, DGRO. 3. Portfolio strategy: SCHD, quality plus income, DGRO, growth plus consistency, depends on your goal. 4. Sector exposure: SCHD, less tech, more traditional sectors, DGRO, more balanced, includes tech winner, DGRO, for diversification. 5. Volatility: SCHD, more stable, DGRO, slightly more growth-driven winner, SCHD. 6. Inflation protection: SCHD, good, DGRO, better, due to growth, winner, DGRO. The psychology of dividend investing. Here's something most investors ignore: your ETF choice must match your personality and behavior, because the biggest risk isn't the market, it's you. If you choose SCHD, you'll enjoy higher income now, more predictable cash flow, but you might miss faster long-term growth. If you choose DGRO, you'll benefit from growing income over time, stronger compounding, but you must accept lower income today. The mistake people make: they chase yield and panic when it drops. The best strategy. Here's where things get powerful: you don't have to choose just one. The SCHD plus DGRO combo strategy. This is where real investors win. Example allocation: 50% SCHD right pointing arrow income today, 50% DGRO right pointing arrow growth tomorrow. What this does: immediate cash flow, growing future income, diversification, reduced risk over time. SCHD pays you NOW, DGRO increases your future payouts. This creates a dividend snowball effect. Real life scenario: let's say you invest $100,000 total, split between SCHD and DGRO. Year 1, SCHD gives strong income, DGRO gives modest income. Year 10, DGRO dividends grow significantly, SCHD continues steady payouts. Year 20, your total income is much higher, your portfolio is more resilient. That's sustainability. Risks you must know: no investment is perfect. SCHD risks: less exposure to high growth sectors, may lag in bull markets. DGRO risks: lower yield early on, requires patience. Biggest risk overall: not sticking to your plan. So, which one wins? The truth is, there is no single winner. Choose SCHD if you want income now, you're near retirement. Choose DGRO if you want growth, you're investing long term. Choose both if you want the best of both worlds. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you made it this far, you now understand something most investors don't. Sustainable income isn't about chasing yield, it's about balancing income plus growth. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more ETF strategies, comment SCHD or DGRO. Which one are you choosing?